Hi everyone, this is Zed from Zed channel and welcome back to this new unboxing and review on this channel, a camera bag from Lowepro. I bought it because I recently don't like to put any bag or camera bag on my shoulder and my back because it's make pain. And this is one of the most reusable camera bag to buy. As you see here, also it's a rolling camera that you can just roll. Unfortunately, you can't put it on your back because it's bigger than the usual bags. Of course, you have two hand grip that you can carry it from it. As you see here, also it's 36 by 56 by 23. Its weight 3.6 kilograms, so you can put everything you want in it. This is at least what they said in the description about it. As you see here, also you can raise or use the hand grip in two steps. Just to know about that, because every camera bag it's the same actually in the market. As you see here, also you can buy a lock and lock it if you want. This is of course gonna be with you on maybe your daily work. This maybe gonna you can use it of course for the airport in your travel, because it's one of the very good bags to carry or to use on the airplane. Of course, here you have also the space to put a small tripod. As you see here also, this is the inside from the bag. This is pocket where it fit laptop from 15-inch, but you need to think about if it's gonna close when you are closing it. As you see here, this is all my gear. This is all what I have, except of course the camera, because I'm recording with it. As you see here, it's a monitor 7-inch from Blackmagic. This is a Rode microphone. This is also a Tamron lens 70-300. If you are one of a Canon user, so it will be bigger than this one. Of course, like a 70-200, it's more bigger. And as you see here, this is a Moza Air gimbal. I put it inside it because I really don't want to carry any additional camera bag on my hand or on my shoulder. Of course I can, but I really like, okay, if it could be fit actually all in this camera bag, it will be very perfect, very beautiful, because it will be more compact. As you see, the inside of it, it's fully customizes it, so you can customize it as you want, take off those things, something you don't want. Of course, there's more than those things in it, but I really also already take off of them. As you see here, it's the pipe of the hand grip, and as you see here, also this you can take it off because it's just put here. But if you just take it off, though, you are actually now on. You can see the hand grip and all what the underside of it. Of course, this is really not a very built. I really don't believe it's really a tank from the inside, because it doesn't seem like that. Because like I prefer just to have like something to lead actually your camera in it or your gear in it. Otherwise, here it will be like jumping the whole way when you are walking, the whole way, because you are not gonna walk in a very decent street the whole way. As you see here also, it's the side from the back, it's very tiny. The things or your gear, it's not gonna fit actually inside it, so it's gonna lead on it. As you see here also, the camera, it's from Canon 60. It can be fit in it or just sit in really a very comfortable way. Here also you can just put it like that, because it's not really gonna fit like that. And most professional cameramen so have actually like 1DX Mark II, Mark III, and 1DX Mark II. I believe it's more bigger than this. You need actually to adjust and customize in the shape that it fits you. As you see here also, if you just put it like this and then put your lens beside it, so it will be not very handy. I believe it's more, you must have something between the camera and the lenses, because you don't need actually to scratch the camera and scratch the lenses. If you put it just like that, this is after all when I put all my gears, but now in this way it's not gonna fit. I know it's not for gimbals, but it would be really nice to have a camera bag with could be fit all your gear. So this is my opinion, this is my review. Please, if you have any comment, let me know in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.